Hi everyone, welcome to Factory Excel. Today we going to learn how converting data to the stocks data type and geography data type. We have two sets of data, country and stock. Make sure we table the sets of data. Insert more column to have more data after this. Highlight from A1 to A13 and go to Data, select Geography. Now you see the icon beside each country name. Click the icon to have more info on the country. Now we select the country flag image, click the Add button. All the country flag are display. We also can click the small icon to have other info to display. Here we select the country currency code. Try it out to have more info for the country. Next, we're going to check the real stock price for each company. For the company name, you may not necessary to exactly give the name, but the Excel will provide suggestion for you to decide the correct name of the stock. Here we use the small icon to display the stock price. These two data types are considered linked data types because they have a connection to an online data source. That connection allows you to bring back rich, interesting information that you can work with and refresh.